Dear engineers and site supervisors who are engaged at construction project, I would like to highlight few points and few slides regarding the methodology of dewatering, means the subsoil water if it encounters during the construction, during the excavation, we have to pump out this subsoil water so that excavation can be made easy. Also, dewatering is defined as control or pumping of ground subsoil water. So you should understand it, and necessity of the dewatering of construction site is also very important topic. You can see the points there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are there. Also, there is a picture about type of dewatering well construction is there. Dear viewers, we are going to discuss in this slide about the process of dewatering and its techniques. There are different techniques and process and methodologies of dewatering the subsoil water from the construction project while the excavation is in progress. So there are four different ways I have uploaded here: the sump pump system, well point system, deep well system, and ejector well system. So description of all these systems will be discussed in different slides. In this slide, we are going to discuss what is sump pump. For sump pump system, a hole is made in the ground to form and to collect the subsoil water, and is to be removed from the subsoil, from the excavated area, so that the water can be removed and excavation can do it smoothly. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, in slide number 3, we'll discuss about one more technique and one more dewatering system, that is well point system. A well point system is dewatering methodology that uses a series of closely spaced small diameter well points. Well points are made in that area and connected by the risers and header pipes to a pump. A pump is there, and header and risers are connected to that pump. Through that pump, we are doing the dewatering of the subsoil water. Water is drained out to lower ground areas of the construction field. Multiple small wells are installed around all the entire construction field on different points, so that from all the areas at a time dewatering can be done. You can go through all the pictures in the bottom of my slides, and you can raise the questions. If there is any question in your mind, please feel free to raise the question. I will be appreciating that. Thank you very, very much. In slide number 4, we will discuss about the deep well system. This is also very important and very critical system. Groundwater control method. The deep well system is used to lower the ground table. Water table of the ground is lower, and where the excavation extends deeper and deeper, up to 15 to 60 meters. The water levels such as basement, tunnels, or foundations. Main components of this system are deep well borehole. Boreholes are made to deepen the excavation. Discharge pipes are there. Submarine pumps are provided. Power supply either by electrical or by diesel generators are supplied. So all these components of the deep well system are used in this critical technique. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, this is my slide number 5 in this series. I hope you like to, to go through all my slides and read all the text and listen to me carefully. I am really trying to introduce new and new lectures day by day. I request you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel, for which I have uploaded the link of my YouTube channel on bottom of this slide. So in this slide, we are going to discuss about the ejector well system or vacuum assisted system. Low permeable soil such as silt and clay, where normal deep well cannot extract enough water. These are installed around the excavated area. A nozzle ejector system creates a vacuum which draws the groundwater up through the wells. Main components of this system are ejector valve, ejector nozzle, pump set or separator tank, and supply and return pipes. All these things are there to be used, and you can see in picture also it is very clear. I don't want to talk so much, but at the same time I request you to please share these slides and my YouTube channel to as many as engineers in your contact, to as many as site supervisors in your contact, so that they can also get some technical and practical knowledge from these lectures. I am thankful to you for your support to share my YouTube channel. Thank you very, very much.